Hello, and welcome to my video. Let's talk about
ways to get free traffic. Words have mixed connotations. Traffic on the roads is everyone's nightmare. However, in business, especially online, traffic refers to visitors to your website, so definitely a must-have. In fact, all websites need traffic or visitors in order to pass on your information and create sales. There are many ways to improve, not only visit your website, but to encourage visitors to stay and look around, also return often. This will encourage good interaction with you. However, first we must get them there. Would 101 ways to get free traffic help you? You can choose paid or free traffic, or better still, use both methods. Organic traffic builds over time and forms a strong background. This is built up from brand recognition and free traffic. Article marketing is a form of content marketing, and is free. Some feel it is outdated, but if you like writing articles and putting them on directories, they can circulate for years as long as they are interesting and informative. Guest blogging and blogging are more recent alternatives. Guest blogging is achieved by contacting other websites and placing original articles on their websites in return for a link back to yours. If it is a very popular website in your niche, you are likely to get a fair amount of new visitors to your website. For a fast response, solo ads offer immediate results, good for building a list of prospective buyers. A good free offer is required to entice them. Udemy is one website. Also, Facebook groups or forums offer the service. Emails are sent out on your behalf with a link to your free offer. Forum marketing is currently popular. Find suitable forums by typing into Google Forum plus your niche. Make sure you follow the forum's rules, reposting, and choose a very active forum for results. Your signature will have a link back to your website and offer. YouTube and video marketing can be very effective, both using advertising and by creating a series of videos which lead people to your offers by a link. By getting backlinks from authority websites, you can improve your brand and appear on Google pages, thus creating more awareness. There are hundreds of ways to attract visitors to your website. Make sure it is worthy of visits. Add content daily, do simple SEO with tags and pictures, and make content interesting and informative. Treat prospectives fairly with your offers and don't oversell. People like to buy because they like what they see, not be sold to. Helpful reading. 99 Ways to Flood Your Website with Traffic by Nick Macro. SEO Step by Step by Cayman Jones. Great for beginners. 500 Social Media Marketing Tips by Andrew McCarthy. Profitable Social Media Marketing by Tim Kitchen and Tashmi Mirza. And How to Get to the Top of Google, Email Persuasion by Ian Brody. More advanced strategies.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.